Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Hardships often prepare ordinary people for an extraordinary destiny. Dream big and dare to fail. Act as if what you do makes a difference. It does. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. It always seems impossible until it's done. Don't limit your challenges. Challenge your limits. Keep your face always toward the sunshine, and shadows will fall behind you. Everything you've ever wanted is on the other side of fear. Small steps in the right direction can turn out to be the biggest steps of your life. Push yourself, because no one else is going to do it for you. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. The harder you work for something, the greater you'll feel when you achieve it. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. Opportunities don't happen. You create them. Great things never come from comfort zones. Wake up with determination. Go to bed with satisfaction. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. What you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals. Go the extra mile. It's never crowded. Don't be pushed around by the fears in your mind. Be led by the dreams in your heart. The best way to predict the future is to create it. One day or day one. You decide. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. You only fail when you stop trying. If you want something you've never had, you must be willing to do something you've never done. Hustle in silence and let your success make the noise. Stay away from those people who try to disparage your ambitions. You are stronger than you think. Nothing will work unless you do. Work hard in silence. Let success be your noise. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. Be so good they can't ignore you. Fall 7 times, stand up 8. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. If you want to lift yourself up, lift up someone else.